Hi folks, welcome back to the Carver's Wood Shop. I got done doing the head and I just want you to see the flow of how I did this fur. It's all spreading out to the right and to the left, all the way up. And then when I got up here to the ears, I kind of blended it in and then went down on the ear. It's just straight down. See that? I have that. Okay. So he kind of is cute the way he is, but I will be painting him black. But what I want to share with you, the last time I told you, always go in the same direction. So if you're burning this way, keep going this way. But it's kind of hard to do that when you're right along some of these lines. So what you do is you just take the tip of your burner and you just touch it in and pull it back up like this and go and do crisscrosses all the way across. I'll show you down here. I'll do the same thing. See how I'm pushing that in there and just crisscrossing it? Okay, near that collar. And that's how you want to do that. I'm gonna kind of blend it in a little bit and go up and do another little section. See if I can show this to you a little better. Just like that. Crisscross a little bit, and then pull it out a little further. You know, draw it out a little further. See how that looks? And that's the look you want to achieve, because that will look like it's coming out. The collar is going to be pushing that fur in. So, and this is how we do it all the way around. Alright, so any tight places, you want to take the tip of that burner and work its way, you know, into there and let it burn in a little bit. You know, it's okay if it gets a little dark there, because it's going to be black anyway. It's not a big deal. Okay, so see how we have the lines drawn on here in the flow. I hope you can see that. And again, you just want to take it and kind of flow it through a little bit. And you don't want a lot of white in between, so you're going to try to get everything you can. And you can turn it a little bit either way, you know, curvature it a little bit. And just kind of follow those lines down. They crisscross a little bit, okay? So that's roughly what we're doing. And then I'll go up here and touch up anything that I missed. And then you're going to keep going all the way around this collar the same way. Okay? And another nice little thing about this, I burned the nose in, the nostrils in, and I also took the burner and went around that tongue a little bit. It's a little more pronounced. See? Just like that. Alright, so that's how you want to keep burning your whole dog that way, puppy. And I know this takes a lot of time. Some people enjoy doing this. I don't mind it if I have the time to work on it. It's not for a rush project at all. Okay, but when we get down here to the legs, I'm gonna do this whole side, and then when I come back, I'll show you what that looks like, and then we'll do the tail. It's pretty simple. It's straight up. But you know, we're gonna flow this all the way down this way, and then around through the tail. So he's going to look pretty nice when he gets done here. His fur will be on, and I can feel a little bit of the texture now. You don't want to touch it a whole lot after you're done burning it. Okay, so try not to put any oily hands or anything on there. And we'll take it from there, and we'll see where we come up with, okay? Alright, just to show you how that flow is so you can copy it if you like. Okay? Alright, we'll catch you later.